The third visual. This is a statue of a famous mathematician and a philosopher. And this statue is in Greece. And this is related to the theorem that he has founded. And you can see in the diagram about the theorem that talks about it. And the theorem is a square plus b square is equal to c square. So somebody has talked about this.
So I'll take this question. So before I answer it, I'm more scared about how to talk this.
You can talk about if you've gone to Greece, you can talk about that, Bhudathan, or it can be about anything related to the subject that you're scared or you've achieved.
Very
good
good
about
morning.
The theorem,
Sure.
how you learned the theorem.
So very good morning, everyone. So math is one of my favorite subjects.
Answer, please. Answer first.
It's Pythagoras theorem.
Yes.
It's Pythagoras, right? Yeah. Okay. Thank God. So maths is one of my favorite subject. The reason being, it is the only subject you don't have to prepare for the exam. If you know the logic, you will pass. If you don't know the logic, you will fail. And if you try to copy from your friend, also you will fail. So when it comes to theorem, the most difficult thing is about even though you can write the formula, you cannot define it in English. That is the main problem for me. Those words, right? You have to exactly repeat these things. So whenever there is an exam, I definitely lose marks only because of the statements. And there is one more thing called axioms and these stuffs. So every time when I try to prepare for exams, more than I study the formula, I'll study as an English exam, so that I don't make any mistakes. So this Pythagoras theorem is very famous because this is the first theorem I think people will recognize easily when you start studying, when you enter into the school and everything. And only problem with this theorem I feel is the way we apply this theorem. Normally, I don't see any maths teacher going beyond saying, so the way we apply this theorem or how this is practically used. We only talks about a square plus b square is equal to c square. Everyone can easily say it, but how we apply these things and how we talk about that, I have learned it after like 5 or 6 years after I finished my schoolings. So this theorem is one of my favorite theorem. I hope everyone also feels that same. And over to you, Diti Master.
Thanks, Bhudathan. That was wonderful. For many people, for many students, math would be tough, but some